much from the old medicine man days. And in spite of our sophisticated society, many people are still susceptible. For example, you can buy moon dust as treatment for arthritis at $50 an ounce, even though it's only ocean sand.
To combat the problem and to produce consumer-minded adults, Dr. Warren Schaller, chairman of the Department of Physiology and Health Science at Ball State University, conducts a course in health quackery. Dr. Schaller, we're all aware of the electronic and radioactive gadgetry available in some magazine ads, but how about health quackery closer to home on our drugstore and supermarket shelves?
As far as our grocery stores and drugstores and department stores in our area, as well as other areas of the state of Indiana, many of them may not knowingly be trying to deceive the public as far as their product is concerned. Other operations in Muncie and Delaware County or around the state of Indiana, people are knowingly deceiving the public about their particular products.
Some of these items that are available on the market shelves are of questionable value.
Very definitely. We could place them into two different categories. One, products that as far as the scientific investigation cannot hurt an individual. They can take the product and it won't harm them. At the same time, it won't help them. Other products have toxic effects on certain individuals, that is, poisonous effects. And if a person, one of the things that we need to learn is to read labels very carefully. And when we see a label where it presents a number of different kinds of cautions, and if this happens, if that happens, contact your physician, that definitely is potentially dangerous to the individual.
As a warning to our viewers, could you tell us about the famous Indiana golden spike?
This was a spike that was painted gold and then sold as a cancer cure, a cure for heart disease, for high and low blood pressure. And if an individual had high blood pressure, they would simply pin this spike to their pajamas at the ankle, and this would draw their blood pressure down. And if they had low blood pressure and wanted to raise it, they would pin the spike at their shoulder, and this would raise their blood pressure. And at one point, 12 of these spikes were sold on Monument Circle in a 2-hour period at $250 each.
Dr. Schaller said that health quackery will always exist, but he hopes with this course, by informing young people, that they will in turn inform their own children, and we will have an informed generation. Moon dust, anyone? Jim Nickerson, Ball State News Bureau.